Meet our swimmer who loves to seek going underwater and drinking the water. Watch how we give a safe routine for underwater.
We're going to end with deep bobs because of the deep pressure of the water, calming him and releasing dopamine and letting him be regulated and organized. Ready? To the bottom. Go. Under.
Allowing structured bobs and visually supervising the drinking of the water and the amount of time a swimmer stays underwater is critical for safety. Notice how the instructor moves from the bob to rolling to the back where you are not able to submerge and continue drinking water, creating safer routines to avoid underwater breath holding.
What do you need? What do you need to be ready? You want to do one more deep under and then one more minute? Okay, goggles on. And he said he have one more deep under his body and feel ready.
Notice how the instructor listens to her swimmer when he says he wants more under. This shows us the power of the hydrostatic pressure and how much the swimmers seek to be on the bottom with disregard for breath. Be sure to create routines and intervene when necessary so that you have water experiences that do not allow excessive drinking or prolonged underwater breath holding.